139 days still in new halving, fear and greed at 70%, which is greed, and Bitcoin is currently trading at the 46.3k. Currently having some small consolidation, again nothing special and nothing to be worried about. We had a 40% upside move in the last 13 days, so having some small pullback. It is expected. Currently bouncing from 50 MA on a 4-hour time frame. You can see all of the pullbacks is being bought up pretty quickly. Everybody's trying to get in this huge bull run. Volume is kind of average on a Coinbase. Same on a Binance. Nothing special on a volume. MACD is kind of in a small red phase on the 4-hour time frame, which is again not that significant. On a daily time frame, MACD is still in a big green phase. And if you're gonna look compared to the previous, what's the current month? Jesus, I forgot. October of 2017. You can see we had this similar pretty long green phase in October, and just at the beginning of actually at the middle of November we started the last huge MACD phase, which was the big bull run and obviously the top for the cycle, for the bull cycle. So currently we're still in this pretty similar compared to the previous 2017 long MACD, long green MACD, which is again everything looks similar, which is again pretty nice for us if we're gonna have the similar upside move on a Bitcoin in December, in the next 2-3 months, I mean. So yeah, this is looking everything perfect. A weekly time frame is also looking bullish. MACD bullish, everything's bullish. And the current resistance will be based on the monthly close, obviously 58.8k, and on a daily 60k is like a mental resistance, and obviously new all-time high, which is not that far away. So yeah, no changes on the other resistances except of the Fibonacci. We had a nice bounce from Fibonacci at the 57.4k roughly. Next resistance on a Fib would be obviously 65k, which is the previous all-time high. Also, where's this news from Binance? Binance will launch $1 billion fund to develop Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. And because of this, you can see Binance is kind of pumping right now. It had a, what was it, like 15% move, yeah, 16% move in the last 4-hour time frame candles. So because of this, obviously BNB is pumping right now. Also, BTC dominance found some resistance at 46.5%, kind of bouncing from having some consolidation from current resistance that we should actually to put a line here or whatever, and also in a previous one. So kind of we are at the support. So yeah, you can see other altcoins is kind of in the consolidation, except of major coins, I mean, except of BNB. Same as Ethereum. Ethereum is just flat compared to the BTC. So yeah, it's pretty much all TA for today. What's about Solana? Oh my god, Solana looks terrible. Yeah, and let's move on to the news. We already talked about BNB, so let's talk about Wix. Millions of Wix merchants can now accept 12 different cryptos. Again, pretty bullish news. Obviously, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, also XRP. Okay, something new. So yeah, and apparently total value locked in DeFi suppresses $200 billion. Also, BTC ETF will likely be delayed until 2022, says research from SFRA, which is again, we can wait, but there's a lot of speculation about the current ETFs that you're spending right now and that we can see in the next couple of months or even weeks. But again, we can wait. Stripe builds new crypto team for payments 3 years after dropping Bitcoin. So 2 years ago they dropped Bitcoin as a payment option, but now they are pulling back from that drop and they are looking to re-enter the crypto sector. So Stripe is like a payment system for a website. You can integrate Stripe into your website if you're selling like some stuff, clothes, I don't know, whatever you sell, but it's pretty popular thing. A lot of people using Stripe, but obviously if you're gonna be able to use crypto, it would be pretty nice. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA news for today. Everything looks perfect. Bullish, still in a bullish downtrend. Yeah. And also if you're gonna look at the time frames and price targets of stock to flow model, and obviously we got plenty of room time. So yeah, to the moon.